Introducing PBA's Clear Aperture Motion Series, engineered to deliver performance where precision and optical access matter most. The Clear Aperture Motion Series offers high-speed motion and exceptional precision with an unobstructed optical aperture, ensuring superior performance for advanced and demanding systems. At the foundation of the series is the XY Clear Aperture Module, purpose-built for high-speed positioning with minimal settling time. Driven by an ironless motor and supported by high-precision cross-roller bearings, this dual-axis, open-frame stage delivers excellent geometric accuracy in a compact, low-profile design. With a payload capacity of up to 20 kilograms, repeatability of plus or minus 0.5 microns, and an overall thickness of just 105 millimeters, it provides fast, stable, and highly accurate motion. Building on this, we introduce the PBA Planar Compact Clear Aperture Module, an advanced XY positioning solution engineered for ultra-low profile designs, high precision, and maximum optical accessibility. At only 45 mm in height, it integrates PBA's PSM shaft motor with the PAOF absolute encoder, delivering precise and repeatable motion in space-constrained environments. Its open aperture architecture, plug-and-play integration, and long-term reliability make it ideal for next-generation motion platforms. These core modules are fully applied in the Clear Aperture 𝐒𝐥𝐬 stage, a high-precision motion system developed for tabletop inspection platforms requiring exceptional accuracy and uninterrupted optical access. By integrating the Clear Aperture XY module architecture with a high-precision Z-axis, the system delivers superior geometric accuracy, dynamic stability, and highly repeatable positioning. The Clear Aperture 𝐒𝐥𝐬 stage provides outstanding stiffness, thermal stability, and long-term dimensional accuracy. With travel ranges of up to 250 x 250 mm in XY, and up to 200 mm in Z, it enables flexible inspection configurations while preserving a clear optical path throughout the entire motion envelope. The Clear Aperture 𝐒𝐥𝐬 stage is ideal for semiconductor inspection, photonics metrology, and high-resolution machine vision. Discover PBA's Clear Aperture Motion Series today at www.pbasystems.com.sg.
When motion makes the difference.